Welcome back to Gifty's Paradise. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve a flawless 5x5 HD closure wig installment. To begin, I'm starting on fresh hair. I applied moisturizer to my client's hair to make sure her hair is well moisturized and protected under the installment that we're doing. I will start off by braiding the hair in the specific braid pattern, which is a straight back cornrows. We're going to be installing a closure wig. The braids should be neat and small because you don't want the cap to become too bulky and you don't want it to look unrealistic. So I am braiding smaller braids, straight back cornrows on her hair, and I'm going to be attaching each braid to one another so that we have a very flat, seamless, finished look. Once the braid is done, this is how the entire thing is going to look. We're going to move on to the second process. This is how you protect the client's edges from the glue. So right now I'm using pantyhose and not the stocking cap because the pantyhose is much thinner than a stocking cap and it's going to blend in more flawlessly compared to a stocking cap. Right there, she was telling me she wants the part to be on her right side part. So that is exactly where I'm going to apply the glue so that the cap can blend in. Correct? Again, no damage is done to the hairline because I'm using the stocking cap or the pantyhose to cover her edges. Then I take a thin layer of the glue and I apply that to an inch in front of her natural hairline, and that is where I am making sure that the cap is melted. So right now the first process is to melt the cap. We're not putting the glue on so that the glue can be ready for the wig. We're just melting the bald cap onto her skin. Cool. So now that that part is done, once you put one thin layer of glue on the front, it's going to stick that cap to her skin. Also, I did take a needle and thread and sew the back of the cap onto her braid. Then you're going to cut off the excess piece of the cap that you do not need. That is when you begin putting her foundation, the makeup that matches the client complexion perfectly to create her a new flush scalp. The bald cap or the pantyhose method is to create a clean scalp effect. So once you do start applying the lace glue to actually melt the wig down, everything is clean and seamless. Okay, y'all? Now I take a little bit of rubbing alcohol or acetone nail polish remover just to clean off the surface of her hair. Always clean off the surface before applying the actual lace glue because oil can mess up your entire hair. So what I just did is apply the lace glue directly on the edge of where the cap is finished. And now I'm going to take my is this cooking tool I bought at the local beauty supply store because I don't like the glue on my hands, so I just spread it on very, very thin in front of her hairline and just a little bit on top of the bald cap itself. This method is not damaging to the person's hair. Once it is fully clear, like that. It's going to start off white, but you have to make sure it's fully clear. Then you apply the lace wig or the lace closure. This wig was made by gifty.org. Ignore my nails, y'all. I have been trying these press-ons, and press-ons aren't for me. I'm just going to get my nails done. It pops too quickly. But I applied the lace wig on her hair. The wig we're using is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig, custom color by gifti.org. I'm also using Gifty lace melting band. There is never a time that you don't use a lace melting band in the process of melting your lace down. This product is amazing because it is adding pressure to the lace wig onto the skin, melting it into the lace glue. So you need to get yourself a melting band. This is one of the most crucial items that you need if you're going to be wearing a lace wig, a lace frontal, a lace closure, anything with lace. You need your lace melting band. Do you hear me? Correct. You can get the product, you can get this wig from gifty.org, okay? gifti.org. After, I'm just curling her hair, adding some nice loose body wave into it. This is beautiful, y'all. This is some beautiful work. So I'm just running my fingers through the curls right now. Again, the wig is from gifty.org. If you want to learn how to curl your body wave hair, I have a video linked in this bio, so definitely check it out. While you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what else you would like to see. And boom, look at these curls. Look how beautiful the curls are. It is bouncy. It is beautiful. It is giving me body yaddy 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 yaddy. Okay, good. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Right there. Comment your favorite part of the video. Would you rock this color? Is this the color for the summer? Like, what's up? So now I am removing the lace melting band, and this is how the meltdown looks like. This is how the meltdown look like. This is how your meltdown should look like. Scalp. Okay, let me stop playing. So now I'm actually proceeding to start styling her hair. I'm parting it better, cleaning off every excess, just going through and making sure the front looks flawlessly beautiful. I went in and I sharpened the parting space, cleaned off any excess that was messed up. Now I'm just going to create some very, very light baby hair. Not all baby hair is made the same, so I'm only creating light, fluffy baby hair for this look because we want to keep it a very elegant, cute, simple style. The colors is already dramatic itself, so you don't want to do dramatic baby hair, dramatic color. Just have a nice balance out. So I'm pulling two of the edges or the baby hair out on each side, and that is what I'm going to cut down and use as my baby hair. Before I do that, I like to take some gel with the edges comb, apply a little bit of the gel right in front of the hairline to make the demarcation from the hairline and where the baby hair would be. So right now, that's what I did. I add a little bit of gel, and the next step for you to do is to take a razor comb or just a razor comb, and you just razor down the baby hair on each side. You lay your baby hair, and that is the end, basically. That is how you install a HD 5x5 lace closure wig from gifti.org. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. This beautiful transformation was once again a 5x5 closure wig, custom color by gifti.org. Bye.